Purchasing automobile insurance using Insurance Expert. South Africa is a country where buying car insurance is frowned upon, but why is that? In 2020, South Africa had around 11 million registered automobiles, however only 30 to 40% of those vehicles carried car insurance. These figures show that the majority of South African automobile owners do not have car insurance. Compare vehicle insurance with Insurance Expert now. When it comes to the number of accidents that occur yearly on our roads, South Africa is rated 159th out of 175 nations in the globe. According to reports, the majority of the accidents occur over the holiday season. The cost of traffic accidents in South Africa is estimated to be about 164 billion rand per year. Purchasing